This is a podcast by the Ontario Council for International Cooperation.
My name is Christy Vanderplas and I work with Street Kids International as a program manager, and I work on projects in Ethiopia, Tanzania, and Sierra Leone, and I manage our International Youth Internship Program, and more recently have become engaged in developing our monitoring and evaluation framework. So Istanbul Principle number 7 is around creating and sharing knowledge and committing to mutual learning. And Street Kids International feels this is important not only in our own work around collaborating with different organizations to learn from each other, but then also sharing what we've learned through those processes with other civil society organizations to try to enhance learning throughout, as opposed to keeping all that learning for ourselves. Today we talked about monitoring and evaluation, and I shared the process that took us from potentially doing an impact evaluation back to revising our monitoring and evaluation framework and really stopping and thinking about what information was important to us as an organization. And that was something that I felt was useful to share with other organizations. I definitely think that many of us struggle with what the purpose of monitoring and evaluation is, and if we can take some time to stop and think about what the real value is to our organization and build our frameworks around that, that would be ideal. And I think that this conversation was the start of potentially more conversations and more collaboration through OCIC to discuss this sphere of work, to try to share practices in something that's often underfunded and under-resourced, but is extremely important for actually bettering our practice in our work.
For more podcasts, visit ocic.on.ca/podcasts.